Hello, welcome. I am standing in front of the nursery school of Geelong. This is the school where a lot of children from Jalaba and Yalal come for their education. And what is happening now, just as you see, the school is closed, and all the schools in the Gambia are closed, including the markets and business centers and everywhere. So therefore, we are going through a very difficult circumstance when people have to distance themselves from social contacts and they have to stay at home. And we are almost in the beginning of the rainy season and we don't have anything right now. So it's very difficult for some families, who are to stay at home and to maintain their family. So the government is implementing a lot of efforts in trying to help to get to the needy people. But anyway, we have a larger number of people who have still, have no food, and the family is going through a lot of suffering, and people are getting very angry because they feel that if they should stay at home, at least government have to do something for them. And this is why the Foundation Khalil Jammeh is very, very happy to help, to thank all the partners in Spain who support us with the gift that we have given to the people. And now we are looking forward, and we thank the Ayuntamiento of Igualada and San Pedro de Riva for their continual support that they give for the foundation. But today we need more help also, not for the support education, but today we need more help so that we can able to help the people, so that they can also help themselves and we can have a better life for the people. Because when people are free from the virus, then it's very better for them to stay at home. But when they go out and get infection, so that will make our living condition to be very, very difficult. And we looking forward as an NGO Foundation Khalil Jammeh for anyone who can give individuals, institutions like Ayuntamientos and any other anywhere where we can get more support so that we can help more people. We can give food and people can be safe and have a happy time with their family at home. And for the meantime, we thank everybody and we're looking forward for everybody to come and give support.